We're going to keep on walking here by Cartagena, so we're going to get out of the Parque Bolívar or Plaza Bolívar. And you're going to see over there, right in front of you, is the Plaza de la Proclamación. So there was what the Proclamation Plaza. It means that here the independence of Cartagena took place, and this is where they made the proclamation of the independence of Cartagena. And right here, this beautiful and wonderful construction, Santa Catalina de Alejandría, St. Catherine of Alexandria, also known as La Iglesia de los Santos de Piedra, because it has a very huge saints inside there, and you see all this beautiful church. Many, many different ages and stages of constructions happen here, from the colonial one to the like 1800s kind of thing over there. French-oriented architecture at the end of the cathedral. Let's just see here a little bit. You see they're making here a construction. They're rebuilding over here this house. It will be open. ¿Para cuándo la van a abrir? Todavía no. They don't know when they are going to open it. They only let me like peek over here to see what they have here. But this is one of the nicest houses of Cartagena. They say Francis Drake slept at this house when he took over the city in 1586. You know Francis Drake, the pirate, the British pirate. They say that he has slept over here at this big and monumental house. So it's one of the big houses of the city and one of the most preeminent constructions over here. Let's keep on walking, and we're gonna see, you're gonna meet the most famous girl of Cartagena. Let me take you there, okay? You're gonna meet her, and just give me a second, okay? You're lucky. This street is totally full of people normally. Look how we are walking right now. You're gonna remember this. As you see it, because it's not normal to see this street so empty. So these are the last days of the quarantine, a long quarantine since March. They're declaring right now like a lift on the pump. They're working on it. Only author as personal. So you see, people is working. Maybe they're gonna have something ready for the season. This is the famous Edificio Cuesta over here. And you're gonna find here the most famous lady of Cartagena, and she's gonna be with us in a few minutes. So be ready. This is the Plaza Santo Domingo. Normally, the plaza is full of people, but look at it right now. And that is the Church of the Santo Domingo, the first big construction. And this was the most important plaza of the city. The convent of Santo Domingo. And let me show you. Now you're going to meet the most famous lady in the city. Her name is, you know, ¿cuál es la mujer más famosa de Cartagena? ¿Cómo se llama? Ella. ¿Y sabes cómo se llama? No tienen ni idea. ¿Ustedes saben cómo se llama? Se llama Gertrudis. Her name is Gertrudis. Look at her. Here you have her. Everybody knows her as La Gorda de Botero, the fat lady of Botero. Fernando Botero, the famous Colombian sculptor, painter, and sculptor, born in Medellin in 1928. And here you have her, the famous lady, La Gorda de Botero. And with this phenomenal view, I say bye to you. Till the next time. This is Nestor Melendez, and this is Greetings from Colombia.